Good morning, children. How are you? A warm welcome to my dear lovingly student. Children, what is the date today? Today date is 7/8/2021. And what is the date today? Today date is Saturday. Okay, children? Children, in previous class, what you learned? We learned the lesson. What is the name of our lesson? Selfless service. Selfless service. See Nana? Selfless service. See. Selfless service. See now, what is the name of our lesson? Selfless service. See children, now like you write the like this. Okay? Selfless service. And also coming to that, in this lesson, which are the main characters? We know that. We already know that. What is that, ma? Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, poor man. And also later on we can see the one more characters. Some more characters, they are gentlemen. They are gentlemen. Okay, now how many characters are there? Swami Vivekananda, poor man and gentleman. The poor man was doing as a profession cobbler. What is that, ma? The poor man is a cobbler. Cobbler. Cobbler means what? A person makes shoes. A person who makes shoes. Okay, Nana? Okay. Coming to that, children, see now, where the lesson start, ma? Swami Vivekananda was at the railway station in Rajasthan. Most of the people come and meet the Swami Vivekananda. On that time, he was telling all the doubts what are the people had. Okay, na? Most of the people come and meet the Swami Vivekananda. They asked about the spiritual matters. On that time, without any hesitation, Swami Vivekananda told clear all the doubts of the people. And also what like this in this way, Swami Vivekananda 3 days, continuously 3 days, he explained the doubts of the people. He was telling what the doubts the people have. Okay, on that time, so many people are sitting around him, but they didn't find out. Even the Swami Vivekananda didn't take any food. Among these people, one poor man is there. That man noticed Swami Vivekananda didn't take any food. Okay, now that's why the poor man came forward and asked the Swami Vivekananda, my dear Swami, you didn't take any food. It is giving me very pain to me. I want to offer something like that. On that time, Swami Vivekananda understand that the God only appeared in front of him, like that he feel. On that time, he asked the poor man, please give me something to eat. On that time, the poor man said to the Swami Vivekananda, Swami, I have the rotis, but I touched the rotis. How can I help you like that? If you want to prepare some rotis, I want to go and bring some coarse flour, dal, like that. On that time, what the Swami Vivekananda said, don't worry, my dear, my dear child, please give me whatever you have. But where did I stop, ma? Okay, on that time, the poor man arranged one doubt. If I give the food, if I give a food that the king know that, then the king must be punish me like that, he thought. And that time Swami said, okay, if the king know this matter, that the king the king definitely punish me like that. Why? Because I was born in a low caste. But even though he feel like that, if he was feeling like that, on that time he overcome his feeling and go back to home and bring the something, bring the some rotis for the poor, for the Vivekananda. Coming to that, but the eagerness, all of you look at the page number 15. Children, see all of you look at the page number 15. See, but the eagerness to serve monk overpowered his fear. He hurriedly went back home, but I cannot leave the Swami in such a state. On that time, the poor man thought like that, I can't leave the Swami like this way. Because, why? Because 3 days he didn't take any food. Next, he returned with freshly made rotis for Swami. The kindness and the unselfish love for this penurious man brought tears to Swami's eyes. Here, coming to the children, see Nana. Here, whenever the poor man went back home, bring some rotis for the Swami Vivekananda. On that time, the Swami's Vivekananda eyes, we can see the tears. In another paragraph, he returned with fresh made rotis for Swami. The kindness and the unselfish love of this penurious man. Coming to the children, what is the meaning of penurious? Penurious. Penurious. Penurious meaning what is that, ma? Extremely poor. What is that? Extremely poor. Extremely poor. What is the meaning of the penurious? The meaning of penurious is extremely poor. Here, who was the poor? Here, Sinana, the kindness and unselfish love of this penurious man brought tears from his eyes. Here we can see the poor man showing the kindness and unselfish love towards the Swami Vivekananda. On that time, the Swami Vivekananda felt very happy. On that time, what happened? The tears are coming from the Swami Vivekananda's eyes. Sir, you can't partake food from my hands. And that, coming to that meaning of partake. What is that, ma? Partake. Partake means what, ma? Eat. Partake means eat or drink. Eat or drink something. Eat or drink something that is offered to you. See the meaning, ma? What is the partake? Partake means eat or drink something that is offered to you. Partake means somebody come and give somebody offer to you something. Okay, na? Here what is that, ma? Penurious. Tell me the spelling of penurious. 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 Coming to the next word, partake. 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 Partake means eat or drink something that is offered to you. Coming to that, on that time, the poor man come and tell to the Swami, please take rotis from my hand, like that. Swami, how can I take the food from my hands? Like that he felt. On that time, the poor man said, on that time, Swami Vivekananda said to the poor man, don't worry, my child, give me the rotis we have prepared. I shall be happy to eat them. On that time, the poor man felt to take the. On that time, the poor man felt sad to give the food to the Swami Vivekananda. On that time, the Swami Vivekananda said, don't worry, my dear child, please give me that food. Please give me that food. I happily eat that food. Swami pondered. On that time, pondered. See, coming to that meaning, ma. Pondered. P-O-N-D-E-R-E-D. Pondered. Say na, P-I-N-D-E-R-E-D. Pondered means thought about carefully. Thought about carefully. See children, see Nana, here what is that ma? Pondered, P-O-N-D-E-R-E-D. But what is the meaning of the pondered? Thought about carefully. Here the poor man think about the Swami Vivekananda carefully. Nobody didn't find out that he didn't take any food. Only the cobbler or a poor man identified, noticed that even the Swami Vivekananda didn't take the food for the 3 days. Okay, children, here I sent the hard word through the worksheet, and also all of you read the hard words and the meanings. Okay, na? And also all the should remember one thing. On 12th we have the voting. For that voting we should prepare for the hard words and meanings. Children, today I stopped here. Tomorrow I will explain the class. I hope you all understand the class. Thank you.